Can you roll over? Yay! Go, go! Oh, bummer. Try it again.
Yeah?
Try it again. Try it again.
Oh, that's good.
Almost, almost, almost. Oh, crash.
Keeping Easton rolling over and he's...
Yay!
Yeah. Well, that's good.
Can you roll over?
He does both. But on this video, he's not really ever going back. He always stays on his tummy.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Roll, 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 roll.
Oh my gosh, awesome. Awesome. Did you get anything else there? Or?
You can't see, can you? There you are.
Oh,
There you are. What's this?
that's good.
Is this your friend?
So how
Huh?
do you think that? Do you think that
Roll to get it. Roll to get it.
It was Riesling. It was from Thanksgiving. Okay.
Yay! Good job, buddies.
Okay, I just want
Good job.
because it's almost gone, but I didn't know. So. Okay, cool.